Planning to move from Arlington to Annandale, Virginia? It's a short local route, but the right preparation can still save you time, stress, and unexpected moving day cost. A typical Arlington to Annandale move may cost around $300 to $900. Larger homes, extra packing, stairs, elevators, and difficult parking can raise the final price. Because the route is usually under 15 miles, movers often charge by the hour. Your total depends more on labor time and access than on the short driving distance itself. Many moves take about 3 to 5 hours from loading to unloading. The actual drive may be quick, but packing, furniture handling, elevators, and long hallway carries add time. Northern Virginia traffic can affect your schedule, especially near I-395, Columbia Pike, or Little River Turnpike. Starting outside rush hour can help keep the move running smoothly. If you're moving from an Arlington apartment, confirm loading zone rules and reserve the freight elevator early. Good access allows the crew to work faster and helps reduce hourly labor charges. Ask each mover what the estimate includes, such as the truck, crew, travel time, packing materials, and furniture assembly. Compare the full service, not just the lowest hourly rate. Ready to plan your Arlington to Annandale move? Visit 3movers.com to compare local moving options and start your free moving estimate today.